Welcome to P-eduKUL digital platform. In the previous videos, we have seen the derivatives of the different kinds of function. In this video, we will see the derivatives of parametric function. So, how we are going to do in this? Let's come back. So, derivative of parametric function we will be doing. So, what is that? So, the functions, the given functions will be given in the form of t. And then t is called the parametric function. Means what? The x is given in t, y is also given in t. So obviously you will be differentiate both the functions with respect to t, and that's why they are called as differentiable functions of parameter t. And then we are finding out the derivative with respect to x. So our dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So when it comes to the theory part, it becomes little bit difficult to understand. So let's solve the exercise 3.5, the first example. Now see, x is given in terms of t square, y is also given in terms of t. We will differentiate both the functions with respect to t. So what I will get it here? Dx by dt. A is a constant, and what will be the derivative of t square? That is 2t. So this is altogether 2at. And then I will differentiate dy by dt also. Now here my 2a is a constant. Derivative of t with respect to t is 1. So I will get it 2a. And now, as I told, we have to find out dy by dx. So ये क्या होगा? dy by dt upon dx by dt. So we'll just put the values 2a upon 2at. So this 2a will get cancelled, and our answer will be 1 upon 2. Our answer is 1 upon t. That's it. So now we will do the next question.
So x is given in the form of t square, 2at square, and y is given also in the form of 8t raised to 4. So differentiate with respect to t. What I will get it? Dx by dt is equal to 2a is my constant, and derivative of t square will be 2t. So this will be altogether 4at, and then dy by dt is a is a constant, derivative of t raised to 4 is 4t cube. So this will be altogether 4a t cube. And now I will find out dy by dx. So that I'll write it. Now my dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So that is 4at cube upon 4at. So this will get cancelled. T cube upon t will give you the answer as t square. So my dy by dx is equal to t square. Okay. So now we will do the next question, that is the third one. X is equal to e raised to 3t and y is equal to 4 raised to e raised to 4t plus 5. So again we will write the same step. Differentiate with respect to t. So here dx by dt is equal to, now the derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x only, and then we will calculate the derivative of 3t. So that will be 3 and then e raised to 3t. Then my dy by dt is equal to e raised to 4t plus 5 as it is, and then d by dt of 4t plus 5. So now 4t plus 5 ka derivative will be only 4, because derivative of 5 is 0. So altogether we will get 4 into 4t plus 5. And then dy by dx dy by dt upon dx by dt. So 4 e raised to 4t plus 5 divided by 3 e raised to 3t. E raised to 4t plus 5 into e raised to this minus 3t. And this will be 4 by 3, 4t minus t, again t, plus 5. That's it. So that is nothing but dy by dx. Now the next we will do it. 1 plus, this is 1 u plus 1 upon u bracket square, whole bracket square, and then y is equal to 2 raised to u plus 1 upon u. So now we will do this. So we have to differentiate here with the parameter u. So we will write that differentiate with respect to u. So this will be dx by du, 2 into bracket u plus 1 upon u into d by du of u plus 1 upon u. So this will be 2 into u plus 1 upon u as it is, u का derivative 1 and 1 upon u का minus 1 upon u square. Okay, and now we will calculate dy by du. dy by du is 2 raised to u plus 1 upon u as it is, then log 2, and then again the derivative of this u plus 1 upon u, d by du of u plus 1 upon u. So that will be 2 raised to u plus 1 upon u, then log 2, and then this is 1 minus 1 upon u square. And now we will calculate dy by dx, which will be dy by du upon dx by du. So this will be 2 raised to u plus 1 upon u log 2 1 minus 1 upon u square divided by this 2 into. Now this is 2 into and this is 2 raised to. So that is the difference, and this bracket will get cancelled, and the answer will be 2 raised to u plus 1 upon u log 2 divided by 2 into u plus 1 upon u. That is the answer. Now this you can write it as y log 2 upon 2 root x. Now the next is x is equal to root of 1 plus a u square and y is equal to log of 1 plus a u square. This is a is not there, so we will differentiate this. So differentiate with respect to u. So my first function is under root 1 plus u square. Okay, so if I differentiate this with respect to x, what I will get it 1 upon 2 root 1 plus u square into d by du of 1 plus u square. So 1 plus u square का derivative will be 2u and this will be as it is. So this is get cancelled and then u upon 1 plus u square. This is the final answer. Now we will do it dy by du. That is log का derivative first of all 1 upon that bracket. So that is 1 plus u square. And then again d by du of 1 plus u square. So that will be 2u upon 1 plus u square. And now we will calculate dy by dx. dy by du into dx by du. So that one root of this 1 plus u square, this will get cancelled with 1, and then final answer you will get it as 2 upon root of 1 plus u square. Differentiate 5 raised to x with respect to log x. So here actually we are having these two functions. So I let u is 5 raised to x and v is log x. We want to find out dy by dx. So here my dy by dx will be du by dv. That will change as du by dv. Okay, and my function is given in terms of x. So now I will differentiate both the function with respect to x. So this du by dx is equal to 5 raised to x log 5. Then dv by dx is equal to 1 upon x. And now I will calculate du by dv. So that will be 5 raised to x log 5 upon 1 upon x. So that will be x into 5 raised to x into log 5. So now we will do the third question, that is x is given in terms of t, y is also given in terms of t, and we are supposed to show that. So when it comes to show that, it is actually an easy question because you know already the answer, right? So we'll start. We have to differentiate both the functions with respect to t. So now my dx by dt is equal to a into d by dt of the whole bracket. Okay, so this will be a, derivative of 1 will be 0 and derivative of 1 upon t will be minus 1 upon t square. So this will be minus into minus 1 upon, so this will be plus, and that is nothing but a upon t square. Now I'll do the next one, that is dy by dt. Again a is a common, 1 का derivative 0, 1 upon t का minus 1 upon t square. So this will be minus a upon t square. And now we will calculate dy by dx. So this will be minus 1, that's it. So x and y both the functions are given in t. So we will write differentiate with respect to t. So now this is dx by dt, denominator into derivative of numerator, minus numerator into derivative of denominator, divided by denominator whole square. So this will be 4 into bracket 1 plus t square minus 4 into 2t upon this 1 plus t square. So this will be 4 plus 4t square minus 8t square divided by this 1 plus t square ka square. So this will be 4 minus 4t square upon 1 plus t square ka square. And that is nothing but if you take again this 4 common, then this is 1 minus t square and upon 1 plus t square ka t square. That is dx by dt. Now we will do dy by dt. Now we will do dy by dt, that is 3 into this d by dt of 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. So 3 will be as it is. Again here denominator into d by dt of derivative, like the derivative with respect to numerator, and then numerator into d by dt of denominator divided by whole denominator square. So now directly I'll write the denominators, 3 into this minus 2t into 1 plus t square, and here 2t into 1 minus t square, and this is divided by 1 plus t square ka square. So after solving this you will get it as minus 12t upon this 1 plus t square ka square. Okay, so this is your dy by dt. If you check, now we will calculate dy by dx. This will be this minus 12t upon 1 plus t square का square divided by dx by dt. Now what is dx by dt? 4 into this, 4 into bracket 1 minus t square upon this 1 plus t square का square. So this will get cancelled now, and then you will get it here dy by dx as minus 12t upon 4 into bracket 1 minus t square. So this will get cancelled and you will get it here as minus 3t upon 1 minus t square. Correct? Now we will calculate dy by dx over here. We will calculate here minus 9x upon 4y. So that will come up as minus 3t upon 1 minus t square. So this is 1 and this is 2. So from 1 and 2 we have proved the result. So from 1 and 2 we can prove that dy by dx is equal to minus 9x upon 4y. Okay. So let's see the next question. X is equal to t into log t and y is equal to t raised to t. Then we have to show that this. So again we will differentiate with respect to t. So by dx by dt is equal to t into 1 upon t plus log t into 1. So this tt will get cancelled. You will get here 1 plus log t. That is my first derivative. Now dy by dt is equal to what? T raised to t. So this will come as, directly we cannot do this na. So that will be 1 upon y dy by dt, and then this will be d by dt of t log t. So here we are actually taking the log for this particular function, and then this comes as t into 1 upon t plus log t into 1. So that is again 1 plus log t. But this will be multiplied by y into 1 plus log t. Okay, and what is the value of y? T raised to t. So the final answer will be t raised to t and into bracket 1 plus log t. And therefore the next final answer, now we will do that dy by dx. Okay, so that is dy by dt upon dx by dt. अब इसमें वैल्यूज डाल देंगे. dy by dt का वैल्यू क्या आ गया देखो, t raised to t 1 plus log t. Fine, that is y. So because we want to show it in the y na, so y into bracket 1 plus log t and divided by dx by dt का वैल्यू 1 plus log t है. So this will get cancelled and here only y remains, and this remaining y only we will take it here. So that is dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. So this is how we have completed exercise 3.5. I hope you all are enjoying maths with Mithali on P-eduKUL digital platform. Till then, you have any doubts, any queries, any any questions you want to ask, you can call us on the given phone numbers, or you can mail us on the given mail ID, and be with us on P-eduKUL digital platform for the other subjects as well, that is economics, SP, OC and accountancy. Thank you.